What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're working on a Ariens Ikon Dx52 zero turn homeowners edition. We're going to change out the deck belt. First thing we're going to do is remove the spring. Here I'm just using some pliers. You can, if you don't have those type of pliers, you can just use a string, tie it together and kind of pull the spring. It's not it doesn't have a lot of tension on it, but you know, just something that helps. So you want to do it with your hand. We're removing those top keepers for the blade on your eyelet putties, and we're gonna get this belt put on it. Customer bought this lawnmower here, said that the deck was vibrating real bad and that it looks like the pulleys was hitting each other while the blade was on. So after diagnosing the problem, found out that the belt had a very bad burn spot in it. Something could have got caught up in the pulleys, not really sure, but I did check everything and all the pulleys seemed fine. But if your deck is vibrating and you have a burn spot in your belt, it will cause your deck to have a very bad vibration while the blades are on. So we're going to get this belt put on and get this lawnmower back to the customer in a timely fashion. As you can see right now, I'm just looping the belt around the pulleys. Another thing, guys, I see a lot of people have problems with understanding how the belt goes on the lawnmower. A lot of lawnmowers, they do have that diagram, but you do see some that won't have that diagram on it. And how I go about this one here did not have that diagram. So what I usually do is just on all your pulleys that are connected to the blade housings, the inside of the belt goes on those. So that V style, the V front of the belt, the V facing of the belt is what sits in the pulleys. And now on your wider eyelet pulleys that the belt ride on, the outside of the belt sits on those. So a lot of times you can kind of work your way around to figure out how that goes on. So right now I'm just putting the top belt keepers back on it. This is what you have to make sure you have those on. That what keeps the belt on it. I'm just going to the back right here, making sure that the belt is on at the back. Make sure you don't have any kinks or turns in the belt. While doing this, I'm going to use my pliers again to put it back on. Like I said, if you don't have those type of pliers, you can just use a piece of string or something very strong to pull that spring over to get it on. Very simple. And also, when you're done with this, guys, you want to make sure you put your covers back on. They kind of help keep debris and keep that belt on as well. They're very important to the cutting system of your lawnmowers. So I encourage you, if you got the covers off, to put your covers back on it. It helps out with debris and many things that can come in and kick your belt. Right now I'm just checking everything, making sure the belt turns right, rotates right, that it's not binding up or anything, and just going over everything. So I'm gonna let you guys see how it does. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel for future videos and future tips.